back in the kitchen. I don't need a knife today because we're making ice cream. Yeah, I love ice cream. Good old buddy Zerby. Shouts out to Zerby. Let me borrow his soft serve ice cream machine. Cool. To the garden, we need some herbs. Here we are in Joe's mom's garden, stealing some herbs. Let's back to the kitchen and make this sorbet. All right, we got our stolen herbs. First is we're gonna make a simple syrup out of this agua fresca. We got some mango pineapple mint. I'm just gonna pour it, some sugar. A typical simple syrup is equal parts sugar to liquid. That's already sweet, so we don't need to put that much sugar in. We're gonna take our stolen herbies, lemon mint, it smells beautiful, it smells wonderful. What we're gonna do, cut it into a chiffonade. Fancy words. It's easy, you're just gonna roll it up like a joint. Who knows why I'm good at this. And then just really fine, as small slivers as you can make. And with the sage, I think we're gonna leave it whole, and before we put it into the ice cream machine, like we're just gonna let it infuse the flavor of sage into this liquid. And then we just gotta put this over heat. I'm stirring this until the sugar dissolves. You just wanna let this liquid cool, so we're gonna stick it in the fridge. I'm gonna take the sage out now. I don't know how long until it's cool to touch. Back, we have this in the fridge, so we're gonna just, and then we're gonna take our liquid. I think I'm gonna have just the perfect amount of liquid. We're gonna put the top on. And it takes 15 minutes, about 20 minutes, depending on the ice cream machine. I've never used this particular ice cream machine before, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, sorbet's ready, so we're gonna turn it off. And I think that's a perfect consistency. So throw the cap on this. 10 minutes in the freezer and that's ready to go. Okay, we had our sorbet in the freezer for 10 minutes. It's looking a lot thicker. You leave it in overnight and this is gonna be like the perfect sorbet. So we're just gonna That's good. It's good, it's strong. You taste the mint a lot, but this is top notch. This is primo. We need some herbs.